Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Life360 app not working. If your Life360 app is freezing, not loading properly, or just not working the way it should, this quick walkthrough will help you try one of the most common fixes. We'll start by clearing the app's cache, which can remove temporary files that may be causing performance issues. If that doesn't solve the problem, we'll finish with the next option you can try. Begin by opening the Settings app on your phone. This is where you can manage installed apps and adjust device-level options that affect how they run. Once you're in Settings, look for the search bar at the top of the screen and tap on it. Using the search feature makes it much faster to find the exact app settings you need, especially if your phone has a lot of menus. In the search bar, type Life360. As you type, your phone should begin showing matching results. When you see Life360 appear in the list, tap on it to open the app's information page. This section gives you access to controls like notifications, permissions, storage, and other tools that can help if an app is acting up. From the Life360 app info screen, tap on Storage and Cache. This area shows how much space the app is using and gives you options to clear temporary data. Next, tap Clear Cache. Clearing the cache does not usually remove your account or personal app data. Instead, it deletes temporary files that may have become outdated or corrupted over time. This is often enough to fix apps that are slow, glitchy, or failing to open correctly. After clearing the cache, you can go back and try opening Life360 again to see if the issue has been resolved. In many cases, this simple refresh helps the app start working normally again. If it still does not work, the next step is to uninstall Life360 and then install it again. Reinstalling the app gives you a clean version of the software, which can help if the problem is caused by damaged app files or an incomplete update. Once the app is reinstalled, open it and sign back in if needed. That's it. By going into Settings, finding Life360, clearing its cache, and reinstalling it if necessary, you can often fix common app problems quickly and easily. Thanks for watching.